Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the Radiant Reminders Kit. I love neutrals with pops of gold, and this color combo comes together wonderfully in this kit. It includes 3 unique designs, including a photo layout, and printed sentiments in English, French, German, and Dutch. Pair it with the standing clipboard trio to turn these beautiful bases into elegant home decor. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or go back to any part of the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. such a great way to add a little beauty to your space. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!